flat design proves that simplicity can still create a powerful visual impact. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a solid background color and avoid adding unnecessary textures or effects. Open the Elements library and insert clean flat shapes such as circles, rectangles, or simple icons to organize your layout. Upload your product image and position it as the central focus of the design. Add a bold headline followed by a concise product description, price, and promotional message using modern sans serif fonts. Stick to a simple color palette with 2 or 3 complementary shades to maintain the flat design style. Keep every element aligned using Canva's